Good morning, everybody. Today is a very, very special day. We are going to be checking out in person the brand new C8 Corvette. This Corvette was just released a couple days ago, and unless you've been living under a rock, you know that this Corvette is the first production mid-engine Corvette. General Motors has been wanting to do this Corvette as a mid-engine for quite a while, and they have finally done it. And I've been really excited about this car ever since it was released a couple days ago, and I'm finally going to be able to check it out in person. We are actually going to one of the General Motors locations where they do a lot of their design and computer work. It's called the Tech Center. This facility is they have hundreds and hundreds upon thousands of employees working there, and today they have a special event. They're having a huge car show there, and the crown jewel of that car show is they're going to be showing off the new Vette. So we're going to be taking a look at that brand new Corvette, and we'll see what else we can find at this car show. So let's get going. So the C8 in this video was kind of in a little bit of an awkward spot. It was under a tent and there were tons and tons of people surrounding it. So it was kind of hard to get good footage, and I didn't want to comment on the C8 while I was there. There were so many people around and I really wasn't able to get some amazing, cool shots while talking about it. I didn't want to, hold up everybody. In addition, a few tents down, there was a stage with a band playing, and I didn't want to be screaming over the music trying to talk to you guys. So I thought I would comment on that car now. So to start off with the front end, I think it looks tremendously aggressive. It looks completely different in person than it does in pictures. I think it looks a lot nicer in person, and I think it looks nicer in not just the front end, but in a lot of other elements, which I will get to. Overall, I think the car is a great landmark product. And there were also some concept mid-engine Corvettes there that I was able to look at and kind of see, how the idea has formed throughout the history of Corvette, and, really finally see the final product that has been going into production. Moving along to the rear of the car, this is actually where I was the absolute most impressed. When I saw pictures and renders and people talking in line on forums and Facebook and stuff, a lot of people were worried about the rear end. They said it kind of just looked like a Corvette Camaro, and they really didn't like it. But I actually think it's amazingly aggressive. It looks so much better in person. I don't think the pictures, leaked photos, anything like that have done any justice to the rear end, and I just wanted to say that I think it looks great in person. Also, the exhaust tips, originally on the C7, there's 4 all in a line together on the bottom of the center of the bumper. But now there are 2 exhaust tips on each side, and they're squared off. At first, when I saw some pictures of that, I wasn't really sure if I liked it or not, but in person, I definitely think that Corvette made the right decision. Moving along to the center and the engine, I think that the back glass makes it look very nice and presentable, and I have absolutely no complaints with that at all. I think they have a nice, great triangular and angled design going with the Stingray theme. I think it looks very nice, and they continued that along the engine bay very well. The interior of this vehicle was also something that I was impressed with in person, more so than I was online. Originally, you can see the dash, how it kind of fades down into a line with this large line of buttons. At first, when I saw that online, I wasn't really sure if that might not look so good, just a big line of buttons. I wasn't sure if that was going to look good or not. But in person, it actually doesn't look bad at all. I definitely like the screen, as well as how the Corvette's interior is angled toward the driver. It looks very nice. And the steering wheel, I originally saw pictures of it online, and I thought it looked great, and it looks even better in person. The steering wheel, in my opinion, is phenomenal. I like the newer shape that they're going for, and overall, I think that the C8 is going to be a great car, especially for a great price. I think General Motors mentioned around the $60,000 mark is where they're going to be what they're going to be selling these first base models at, and I think that a lot of people are going to be trying to pick it up at that price. So overall, I am thoroughly impressed with the C8 in person. I definitely think that it is worth checking out in person. I don't think pictures or videos really do it complete justice and give the car all of the kudos that it deserves. Thank you guys very much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Caleb Plitos. I hope to see you subscribe to this channel and check out some of the other cool videos that I have. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one.